Welcome back to a Paper Flourish craft video. My name is Julie. The video today, I'm going to preview a new My Happy Place kit, which is available in store at Paper Flourish and online at paperflourish.com.au. If you're looking for our card kits, album kits, mixed media kits, scrapbook kits, they all are under the My Happy Place button on the website, and we've got a lovely range of kits available. So this one here is the Alchemy Cards kit, makes up 8 cards, and there are 4 slimline cards and 4 cards that are 4x6. These would definitely suit males, male cards, but really they could be given to anybody. So I'm going to give you show you all of the 8 cards, and I said these are available now for sale. So this is one of the slimline cards. The slimline cards have these gorgeous metal embellishments to decorate them, sentiments with the gold mirror behind them. This one as well. Great colours, great papers. So 4 slimline cards all together. All of the metals are a little bit different, but really adds something special to the cards. I like this one with the moon there. And the sentiment, you deserve the moon. All right. The 4x6 cards. We've got this one. Look at the cute owl on that one. Gorgeous sentiment there from one of the visible image stamp sets, as is the best wishes. And then this one here opens up, as does this next one. That's got a little cat on it, very cute. Hope Murphy didn't just hear that, you'll be jealous. So these are available now. The kits, of course, come with all of your cardstock, your papers, your embellishment. The sentiments are stamped and already cut to size for you. Get full instructions and photos. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.